All right, we're starting a job next week. It's master bath, and we are completely removing the vanities here. There's a lot of columns and archways that are in this bathroom. We're gonna take out the columns, archways, the shower. You can see the shower is pretty tall, a glass panel. Columns behind me go all the way up, chandelier. Vanity on both sides. We got one here, one on the other side. So we are going to be taking all this out, completely gutting this bathroom. And then we're going to be completely changing it around. We have a set of plans here. So I thought I'd take some pictures of some of these jobs before they even start so that you can kind of see what they look like. And then we'll do progressions as the job goes along.